The cleaning and maintenance of the smart milk vending tea machine mainly includes above 3 steps. First, take out the milk tea bucket and stir up bucket containing the raw materials. Pour out the remaining ingredients in the milk tea bucket. Then pour in clean water or hot water to clean the milk tea bucket repeatedly. Then pour out the water. Next, remove the hydraulic glass bottle from the bracket and clean it. Then press the discharge button with the corresponding number as shown in the video. Discharge the remaining boba and coconuts from the pneumatic storage tank. You can use a rag to clean inside every day after operation, especially for cleaning the robot arm and dripping tea stains from each discharge outlet. After that, we finish out cleaning toddy. That's all for this issue on milk tea machine cleaning. Thanks for watching. See you next time.